What if you can create the amazing thumbnails like these? So I have found this crazy tool that is gonna help you to create these high quality thumbnails, and these thumbnails are gonna boost the reach of your YouTube videos because they look so good. What I love about this tool is you can recreate any thumbnail for your own content. You go to YouTube, you found a video with a lot of views and which is grabbing the attention of the people. You love the thumbnail, just grab the link of the video, come to this tool, and you will have your own version in just few clicks and in just 5 minutes. Okay. So watch this video till the end because I'm gonna share the link of the tool with you. And when you sign up, you will get 15 free generations. Okay, you can generate 50 thumbnails for free. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how it works. So let's just begin. So the tool I'm talking about is thumbs.ai, and it's the one of the best, and it's the best thumbnail generation tool I have found so far. Okay, basically how you can create the thumbnails with the help of this tool, let me just show you. So they give you the options like creating thumbnails with the text. This is the first option. So if you have a detailed prompt, you can use that prompt and you can generate your thumbnail with the help of that prompt. Okay, you will paste your prompt here. Then you will have the option to choose templates. They have the set of templates. You can choose the template and it will copy the style of that template. You can add your face. You can choose your reference style. Okay, they have a different style if you want to have a different kind of style, and you can choose the aspect ratio, whether you want it for shorts or you want it for the regular video. Okay, so these are the few things it has, but the best option is this one. Okay, recreate thumbnail, this image to thumbnail option, which we are going to use in this video. And I will show you like how you can uh, model any of the best YouTube thumbnails using this process and create very high quality thumbnails in just few minutes. Okay, so let's just find out what we do is we will go to the YouTube and look for the uh, thumbnail that will grab our attention and that is going viral. Okay, so let me just change the category. Okay, let's go to new to you and see like what are the viral videos. Okay, the viral video which is grabbing the attention of the people. Okay, so let me just scroll and see. Okay, you can see this video, right? This video where like we have 1 million views. Okay, so it's a very good option we can pick. Let me just look a little bit more. Okay, so I think that one will be a very good option. Let's pick that one because that has a 1 million views. So it will be a very good thumbnail, I guess. It grabbed the attention of the people. So what we will do is let's just click the share option, copy the link. Okay, and just go to the tool. Okay, and use this option thumbnail from YouTube video link. Okay, paste it here, click grab thumbnail, and what it will do is it will just grab the thumbnail of that video. Now we have the thumbnail that we want to model. Here we will write the prompt. So what I want is I want to use the my face instead of this face of this person. So what we will do first, you will write it roughly like replace the person in image with my image. Okay, then you will write topic of my video in brief is, and what you will do, you will just paste the little bit about your topic. So I have like I have created a few content ideas, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this particular topic. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste it here. So this is the script in brief or a little bit detail about my topic. Okay, now once we have this, just click this enhance button, and what it's gonna do is it's gonna create a very professional prompt that will be used to generate the thumbnail. Okay, as you can see, it's writing the prompt. Added the provided reference thumbnail by replacing the existing person with the user's image. Match the original subject, placement, scale, pose, and all. It has written a very detailed prompt with what the topic is and what we want. Okay, whatever you want, you can just write it here and click enhance, and it will write a very professional looking prompt. Now, when your prompt is ready, what we will do is we will use this option, add your face, and here what you will do is you will create. I have already added the face. What you will do, you will click create. You will upload your image here. Okay, just upload a very good quality image here and click this button. If you save and use this face. Okay, now once you will do, you will have your image here. I will select my image. Okay, my image is selected. Now you have to select if you want to change any style. You can do that, but I will not do it because this is the thumbnail which is already going viral, so I will not make any change. What I will do is I just want my face here, and I want that it will write something here which is related to my topic. Okay, and it will be done without touching anything else. Just use this option if you want the thumbnail for the regular video, and use this option if you want the thumbnail for the shorts, and then choose how many variations you want. I'm keeping it one, and just generate. Okay, just here click generate. It is gonna consume 2 credits. I'm gonna tell you how you will get the credits. Okay, that is a different thing. You can I will give you the link, and when you will sign up, you will get 20 credits for free, and after your first generation you will get 10 more credits. Okay, so in this way you will get total 30 credits, and you can generate like 15 thumbnails for free. Okay, as you can see here is the thumbnail. Can you see here is the original thumbnail. It is right. Once you know this secret, keep your mouth shut. Okay, and here you can see you probably don't need another business course. You need to start producing something from everything you already have learned. Okay, and this is how you can create a very high quality. As you can see how professional it is, and it is modeling the exact viral thumbnail. Okay, with hook is written. And if you don't like it, what you can do is you can simply go here and you can use this button of regenerate. Let's try. Okay, let's regenerate once and see like what it changes. Okay, maybe it will change something. So let us see like if we regenerate it, what change it will do. And you can see I have generated the very high quality thumbnail that I have shown you in the beginning, right? So these are the very good quality thumbnails, and you can create it right now with the help of this tool. And here it is. You can see it has changed the expression, right? My expression is changed now, right? And you can see it has like changed a little bit of text, and it has made it bigger and made it these fonts smaller. Okay, so these are the variations. Basically you can see like how it just hardly took us like 5 minutes, and in 5 minutes you have your thumbnail ready. You don't have to like go to chat gpt and like follow a complex process when you can use a tool like this which is doing everything so fast, and it's free to start. Okay, so if you want to try the tool, just simply click the link which is given in the description, sign up and get your free credits. Start using it today itself. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.